Hey guys, welcome to the last day of the holiday cheer series. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is the last video. If you haven't checked out any of the other holiday cheer series videos, definitely go check out the other 3 videos. I'll leave them in the description box below. But in today's video, I am just gonna give you guys a simple tour of my Christmas decor, okay? I'm gonna be real with you guys. I kept it pretty simple this year. I like to keep my Christmas decor simple, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a tour so you can kind of see it all together. If you've seen my Christmas tree video and my DIY Christmas decor video, then I want to give you guys an opportunity to see it all together in my apartment. So this video is gonna be really short and sweet, but I wanted to show you guys how it all came together in the end. If you've been liking the series videos thus far, comment down below and let me know what was your favorite holiday cheer series video so far. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Amber B, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on any of the great content coming your way. Let's get into the Christmas apartment tour. So when you walk into my apartment, you get this really beautiful view of the centerpiece I made, which if you haven't seen the video on me making the centerpiece, definitely check it out. I gave you guys kind of my step-by-step of making this. It kind of came together in a very random way, but you know, hey, it worked out. And then also too, my DIY Christmas countdown board, which, oh my gosh, I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love this board. It's a really simple way to just give your place a really nice touch and to keep everyone excited for the day of Christmas. So excited. Here I have some small Christmas trees, and I got these from Target last year. And so these, I really love these. These are simple and they were really inexpensive. So definitely recommend something like this to put in the stove area. I have another one over there. All right, so next is my dining room. So very simple, like I said before. I just have these little centerpieces that I also made in my DIY holiday cheer series video. So definitely check that out. That was day 1, I think. Yeah, day 1. So check that out and look how cute that is. Like, it's simple but detailed. Like I have some pine, or a pine cone and some snowflakes on them. Very cute and very inexpensive. I think this was from the dollar store, this was from Michael's, and the snow was from Michael's as well. Very inexpensive and cute. So not too much going on my dining room table. And then I have my TV console decorations over here. So this I got from Home Goods about like a year ago, and it's so cute. I love how like the glitter and the just kind of frosted ends. Very pretty in person. And then same thing with the centerpieces, very inexpensive, just different kind of shapes with this. These have candles in them instead of the pine cones, but very cute. And then, oh my gosh, y'all, I am obsessed with this reindeer. I am obsessed. Look how pretty that is. Obviously, I have a glitter problem, which I love glitter. Like, honestly, I don't know. It's just my jam. But look how cute this is. And I also got this from Home Goods as well. And then there's my tree. Oh my gosh. I mean, just look at that detail. So pretty. All right, guys, that is it. I tell you all, it would be really simple and short. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour and to show you how everything came together. Like I said, it's very simple, it's very basic. I didn't want to do too much. I'm not the type of person to change out my pillows for the holidays. Maybe I will be when I buy a home, but right now I just wanted to keep everything very simple and fresh, but still give a touch of the holiday spirit in here. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe. It's free and it takes like 2.5 seconds. And be sure to watch the rest of the holiday cheer series videos if you haven't already. And thank you guys for tuning in. Bye guys.